Hey there, Chippewa blended learners or hybrid learners who I do get to see in person. Um, Ms. Weinhagen here, and we had some major confusion that was all my fault last week with what your expectation is when you are at home learning on the days you are not in school for PE. So first things first is you no longer have to log on to a live Google Meet session at the beginning of your class. So when it is your Phi-Ed time and you are learning from home, you are just going to go right to your Google Classroom and get to the daily task list. So I'm using, and this goes for my 8th graders as well as my 6th graders. So you will go to your classwork, and then you will have a topic that says what week it is. So under there will be one assignment posted, okay? So if you are at home Monday, you're doing that assignment on Monday. When you're at school, you're just doing whatever I'm asking of you on Tuesday. If you are at home Wednesday, you're doing this on Wednesday, and then I will see you on Thursday. So those of you who are in person on Monday would then do this assignment on Tuesday. So you just do it one time during the week, okay, no matter which class you're in. So you'll see that if you click on it, it is going to look very similar to what we've been looking at, except it's only the tasks that you need to complete. So this is your at home for the week of September 28th through October 2nd. You are going to watch a video of the benefits of warming up and cooling down. You are going to complete a 5-minute warm-up workout. Then you are going to select one of these 3 online workout videos to complete. When you are done with that, I would like you to choose something to do that you really enjoy. If you need some ideas, there is this physical fitness resource page. And then the big thing is that you have to complete this Google form for me to know and give you credit for the work you have done. So on days you are at home, this is where you're going. You need to submit it one time and then also turn it in on Google Classroom. So I'm just posting it once during the week, depending on when you have class. If you need additional help, okay, especially because we are no longer coming on live where you would be able to ask questions, send me an email and I will try to get back to you within the day. We can set up a one-on-one time. Otherwise, on Fridays from 12:45 to 1:45, you can use this Google Meet link to pop in and say hi or ask your questions. So my ask of you is to make sure that you get your at-home PE done at some time during the week, preferably during your PE time during the day that you are at home learning. But again, no more live sessions at the beginning of your hour. You are just going to get going on your task list for the day. Hopefully this simplifies it for everyone. See you all at some point this week. Can't wait to see you. Bye now.